So I like to do this tour about World War II in Paris because it's a way to go in beautiful districts of Paris and to visit Paris with a localer's point of view. We go in the Marais district, for example, where we can see lots of remembrance places about World War II. It's interesting to see the life of people in Paris during World War II, and not only the political or military history or international history. So this tour really is about life in Paris during World War II. So how would the Parisians live, find food? How would they be organized in the city during World War II? And that's what I like about this tour. During this PARISCityVISION tour, there is also a coffee break that is at the middle of the tour. And it's a very nice moment to share with all the visitors.